Okay guys, so today this is going to be my first video on my second channel. This isn't usually what you see me do, but I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a keyboard because, you know, we're all gamers. So this is the HyperX Ally Core RGB. As you can see, it has full RGB, has a lock on it, obviously media, and it's water resistant, so that's going to be useful for later. And let's just open it up and see how it works. Okay guys, so let's open it up. Pretty good. See, you got the plastic covering it all. Let's see. Probably not the best way to pick it up, but you know. Okay. Looks pretty much the same. Not disappointed yet. Okay, so let's see. First, let's test out sounds. Okay, sounds pretty good. As you can see, it's just like it said on the box. I'm not gonna test if it's waterproof, because that probably wouldn't be the best idea, even though I have a warranty on it. But right now, let's plug it in and see how it looks. Alright, so if you guys did guess, this keyboard is membrane. It usually goes for around 40 to 50 bucks, but I would definitely recommend it. It's really good, and the RGB is great too. So overall, this is probably the, it's one of the best keyboards that I've seen that's membrane, because usually membrane keyboards are horrible, but this one's actually like really good, and it has like a really tactile feel to it. So I definitely recommend this to you if you're trying to go like the silent way of a gaming keyboard or something like that.